Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the latest and greatest in top-selling products. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of batteries, the unsung heroes of our everyday tech. From keeping your gadgets running smoothly to powering up your productivity, batteries are essential. In this electrifying countdown, we'll unveil the creme de la creme of the best-selling battery products on Amazon. We'll explore the features, performance, and reliability that have catapulted these batteries to the top of the charts. Without further ado, let's get charged up and dive into our top picks. Number 5 in our countdown is the powerful HT03XL HT03XL L11119-855 battery, the ultimate solution for your HP Pavilion laptop's power needs. Featuring cutting-edge polymer technology, this battery delivers a robust 11.55 volts and an impressive 41.9 watt-hours of energy. With its sleek black design and compact 3-cell structure, it fits seamlessly into a wide range of HP Pavilion models. Whether you're using the Pavilion 14CE, 14CF, 15DA, 17CA, or even the Pavilion X360 convertible series, the HT03XL battery is engineered to be your reliable companion. It's not just a battery, it's a lifeline for your device, ensuring you stay powered up and productive. Included in your package is not only the HT03XL battery, but also 2 auxiliary installation tools and a detailed user manual. This means you'll have everything you need to get back to work or play without a hitch. Compatible with numerous HP models, including the 240G7, 255G7, and 340G5 series, it replaces multiple part numbers like HSTNN DB8R, HSTNN IB80, and L11421-1C1, among others. But we don't just stop at delivering high performance. We back our battery with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. If you have any concerns, our dedicated technical team is ready to provide support and ensure you have a hassle-free experience. Choose the HT03XL HT03XL L11119-855 battery for unparalleled reliability and efficiency. It's power and peace of mind in one compact package. In our countdown of top batteries, number 4 is the exceptional A1466 Laptop Replacement Battery for MacBook Air. Designed to rejuvenate your 13-inch MacBook Air, this powerhouse is a game-changer for your device. With a formidable 7,200 mAh capacity and 55 watt-hours of power, this battery is engineered to keep you productive and entertained for longer. Operating at a precise 7.6 volts, it supports up to 500 charging cycles, giving you the reliability and endurance you need. It's compatible with earlier MacBook Air models like the A1466 from 2017 to early 2015, as well as a 1369 from late 2010 and mid-2011. Crafted with advanced American battery chips and low-power design, the A1466 ensures a long battery life while maintaining safety. Its built-in circuit protection provides comprehensive safeguards against overcharging, over-discharging, and short circuits. Certified by UL, CE, FCC, and ROHS, you can trust its quality and safety. This battery is compatible with a range of MacBook Air models, including MC503L/A, MC504L/A, MD231LL/A, MD232LL/A, and more. It's important to verify your MacBook model before purchasing to ensure perfect compatibility. You can find this information under About This Mac in the Apple menu. The package includes not only the A1466 battery, but also a product manual and 2 free screwdrivers, a Pentalobe T6 and a Pentalobe T5, for easy installation. Upgrade your MacBook Air's power and performance with the A1466 battery and experience the reliable energy boost your laptop deserves. At number 3 in our top 5 countdown, we present the robust 40WHM5Y1K14 8V battery, a powerhouse designed for a variety of Dell Inspiron laptops. This high-performance battery, boasting a substantial 40 watt-hours and 2,600 mAh capacity, is engineered to deliver exceptional power and longevity. Operating at a solid 14.8 volts and featuring a durable 4-cell design, it ensures your Dell Inspiron 14, 15, or 17 series laptop stays charged through even the most demanding tasks. The M5Y1K battery stands out not just for its impressive specifications, but also for its remarkable compatibility. It seamlessly fits models across the Inspiron 3000 and 5000 series, including 14, 3451 15, 3551 17, 5755, and many more. From the Inspiron 14, 3458 to the 17, 5758, this battery is your go-to solution for a broad range of Dell laptops. With a state-of-the-art internal PCB board, this battery guarantees 100% compatibility with the original Dell 40 WDX0R offering up to 1,000 charge cycles. It's designed for safety and reliability, featuring built-in overcharge, over-discharge, and short-circuit protection. Certified by UL, CE, FCC, and ROHS, it assures peace of mind and top-notch performance. The package includes the M5Y1K battery, a comprehensive instruction manual, and even a pair of screwdrivers for easy installation. Plus, with a full refund available within 60 days and a 12-month replacement warranty, your investment is protected. For any issues or concerns, our dedicated support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Elevate your Dell Inspiron laptop's performance with the M5Y1K 40WH battery, where reliability meets exceptional power. Are you enjoying our countdown of the best-selling batteries on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm fizzle out. Give us a charge by liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon. That way, you'll never miss a spark of our content. At number 2 on our countdown, we have the WDX0R Replacement Laptop Battery, a top choice for Dell Inspiron, Latitude, and Vostro series laptops. This powerhouse battery delivers a reliable 42 watt-hours of energy at 11.4 volts, thanks to its high-quality Li-ion technology. Featuring a 3-cell design, it promises durability and a steady performance over more than 600 recharge cycles, keeping you productive and connected for longer. The WDX0R is meticulously engineered for a broad range of Dell models. Whether you're using the Inspiron 13 7378, Inspiron 15 7579, Latitude 3590, or Vostro 5568, this battery ensures a perfect fit and optimal functionality. It even matches numerous part numbers, including P69G001, 3CRH3, and FC92N, among others. Our battery is not just compatible. It's crafted to meet stringent standards, including CE, FCC, ROHS, and UL certifications. This guarantees not only top-notch performance, but also the highest levels of safety and reliability. We stand behind the WDX0R with a full refund policy for any reason within 30 days of purchase. Plus, if you encounter any issues within a year, we offer a free exchange to ensure your satisfaction. Upgrade your Dell laptop with the WDX0R Replacement Battery and experience consistent power and reliability. Taking the top spot in our countdown is the HT03XL L11119-855 Laptop Battery, a powerhouse of reliability and performance for your HP Pavilion, 14CE, 15CS, 17CA series, and more. With a robust 41.7 watt-hours of capacity and a voltage of 11.55 V, this 3-cell Li-ion battery is engineered to meet and exceed your laptop's power demands. Designed with precision, it offers up to 3,470 mAh of energy, ensuring you stay unplugged and productive for longer. This battery is a perfect fit for a wide range of HP Pavilion models, from the 14CE to the 17CA series. It's compatible with numerous part numbers, including HSTNN DB8R, HSTNN LB8L, and L11119-855. Whether your device is a Pavilion 15CS0085CL or a Pavilion 17x0063CL, the HT03XL is tailored for seamless integration. But it's not just about compatibility, it's about quality. The HT03XL battery undergoes rigorous testing to ensure safety and performance. It includes advanced circuit protection against overcharge, over-discharge, and short circuits. Plus, it's certified by UL, CE, FCC, and RoHS standards. To sweeten the deal, each purchase includes 2 free screwdrivers for easy installation, and our comprehensive support promises a 60-day refund policy and a 12-month replacement warranty. Should you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist you. Upgrade your laptop's battery life with the HT03XL L11119-855 and experience the pinnacle of power and reliability. We hope you loved our countdown of the top-selling batteries on Amazon. To keep up with all the hottest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products from today's list. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.